Shoutout pala kay Paning. Shoutout kay Paning. Request ni Paning.
Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago, nagkakarama sa pagkanta at nagsisintonado sa kaba. Meron pa dalang mga rosas, suot na may mahong nakupas, at naiyan pa ang barkada na papormat na pabarong sa awiting daig pa ang minus one at singalong. Gulo ang
Pakshit! Pakshit!
di kayo naman sa dyan sunod.
Padala ng sinukmani.
Nandito yung mga trabaho na sa loob.
Shoutout sa nagpadala ng sinukmani para sa'yo!
Senorita, just a killer just for hanging out the flavor. Jotting down on the JNB, while checking out the parts on the days and night. When you forget the brain, forget my personality. But I'm trying to back on my gravity to the Trinity. Flying high with the dreams and controlling the game with the heavy duty gun. Letting it beautiful, being surprised. The niggas on the cover, but it's only on the right. Mental range, my visual concept. Better than money and sexual sound. Keep the team as we speak to the next trip. Blasting some hush and rock style bullshit. Going in, got us, feel it, got us a look. A fancy hotel and we got everything we need. A big bag money, a big bag of weed, and you start to impress as we start to undress. Stop the press, we need to get. Gotta get ready for a big surprise. It's so much over, but it's only on the right. Getting better, raised by these one concept. Better than any other sexual sound.
20 lang yung pinadala mo. Tama na yan.